Guys, we are going to Tasik Cermin. Oh my gosh, can't see you. There you go. Winnie!
Oh, hi!
And there's a little bit of trail here. Wait, let me show you. Wow, we're not there yet. Winnie, it's Corona. Duh. We're about to enter the tunnel. The cave, I don't know, man. So lepas masuk ni, then the Tasik Cermin is gonna be there. Betul. Sawang. Hey guys. Okay, I'm tuning in on Friday, the day of Eid al-Adha, 2:30, 2:20, 2:25. And we're about to go for a hike, but it's raining outside, so I don't know whether we're gonna go or not, but it's a cave. I'm wearing like this baggy sweatshirts with a sweatpants and body mist. Okay, bye. Talk to you later. I'm kind of late now. So we're in the tempurung. Let's go. That's my brother. So we're about to night this staircases. It's quite like steep, but let's do it. Aku nak ikut. Tinggi gila. Wih, sangat dek sakit bontot. Wow. Wow. Platform 1. 4 more to go. This is Mother Nature, guys. It's platform 2. Echo. Cepat jerit.
Hello.
Cepat jerit lagi. Adik, cepat jerit. My glasses is foggy.
Hello.
Ada. Aisyah takut. It's like another 3 platform. So we were there till like here.
Platform 4.
Where is the wind? Wow. It's kind of creepy though. Platform 4. There's a freaking wind. Angin.
Bunyi apa tak?
The forces be with you. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. Masih hi. Oh my gosh, squatting.
Hello.
Where are we, Uma? Good?
Okay.
Okay. To atas. Top of the world, platform 5.
Tekan cepat, tekan bah.
Cannot see anything, guys. Hoga tea tasting corner. Aku nak record video.
Ini dia satu pokok proses kita buat. Boleh cuba lagi.
Sedap.
Di sini ladang organik dia ada tembak racun kalau macam dia organik dia. Ada hasil dia lah.
Rasa bang?
Hasil lah.
Very rasa
Kalau ada
healthy.
job.
Now we're at this mining. This is the kapal core. Basically, they use for mining purposes. And I think it's kind of cool. And it's like a trail outside. Apa? Hornbill? Oh my gosh. My family just found a freaking hornbill, man. Oh my gosh, it is! A hornbill. Look how humongous it is. Maybe this is like this is just a small part of it, but it's beautiful. It's like breathtaking view. Guys, the view here is so beautiful. Like it's like nature, like I don't know how to say, but it's like super pretty. Wait, let me show you. So this is the opposite side. Look at it, look at it. Mama, what is empangan in English? Dam. Ah, it's like a dam. Sebenarnya ini bekas aktiviti mining perlombongan pada zaman dahulu. So that's why it's like water now because dah masuk air.